Hey everybody, welcome back to another Your Tech Report video, and if you checked out our last video, you'll see that we just covered the release and my picking up of my brand new Super 73Z, which we're really excited about. We'll put a link there and probably put a graphic up now so you can check out that video. But other exciting news from the folks at Super 73, they just moved in, or they're in the process of moving into a brand new headquarters down in Tustin, brand new warehouse space, office space, and maybe space for something else that'll be a little bit of a surprise to you guys, but it's something that you guys have been requesting, something you've wanted from Super 73 for a long time. So what do you say we go check out our sneak peek at the brand new headquarters of Super 73? So let's head down to Tustin and go see Michael.
Hey Mitchell.
This is it, huh?
This is it. Come on in, I'll show you around.
Wow, this is
That's crazy. This is our
holy cow.
This is our new shipping and fulfillment warehouse. So right now they're painting it.
Okay, so this is the warehouse. Wow, this is huge.
This is huge, yeah. And so this is where we're going to be doing all the repairs, all the shipping, logistics, custom builds, things like that.
Okay.
So what's most exciting about this space is actually what's on the other side.
Really? There's more?
Yeah, so follow me.
Okay, so wow. I can't get over. And I mean, listen, when you think about the growth that's happened, just not even the last couple of years, but I mean just the last maybe 6 months.
Yeah, it's really been in the last 6 months. We've been exploding. So the team has like almost tripled, which you saw.
Everybody's a little cramped in there, right?
Crazy.
Wait 1 second, Michael. I just want to show people to get an idea of the expanse of this room. It's a big space.
It's a big space. So this is warehouse number 2, and this
Okay.
is actually going to be the research and development warehouse. So this is where we're going to be doing a lot of the future bikes, experimenting with tech, seeing what we can do to, upgrade batteries, things like that. So
Right.
This is all going to happen right here in our facility rather than in a satellite facility.
And that's smart because it keeps everything in-house. It's very easy. So I'm looking around here. Okay.
It allows us to make really cool custom bikes for fun, which is what we love to do.
Of course it is.
I'm actually excited about this because a lot of us live very active lifestyles.
Right.
We're in here working late. We're installing, this is a small detail, we're installing showers.
Showers?
Yeah, so that we can keep working late, because a lot of times we just get so dirty working with bikes, and then it kind of we got to go home and things like that. So this is going to make it obviously easier, which is a weird thing to be stoked about, but it is.
No, you know what, Michael? A clean staff is a happy staff. There you go. Just keep on selling that. That's. Oh wow! What is? Okay,
Yeah,
so now.
So I'm going to go ahead and show you this space first.
Wow.
It's pretty
Okay.
echoey, so I'll stay kind of close to the camera.
Okay.
This is our flex workspace. So basically this is where, if you remember earlier today, you saw the team cramped in that spot.
Right.
This is that version of
Like the common area, basically.
Exactly.
Okay.
So we're going to have soundproof phone booths over there so people can take meetings and be on phone calls.
Meeting space over there. Gotcha.
Exactly. And then we have operations offices right here. So we're doing the high-tech, top-secret stuff in these rooms, which is really nice to be able to have some privacy now.
Okay.
Because we do have a lot of people that just kind of come through.
Okay.
And then if you follow me...
Love this space right here. I'm just showing all. I'm getting all the nooks and crannies here, dude. I got to show off the entire space.
Why not?
All right.
So I told you about the R&D warehouse. This
Right.
is actually going to be our design center.
Oh wow.
Which will, at some point in the future, hopefully have access to the warehouse. It's on the other side of this wall.
Okay.
But we're going to put all of our designers back here, all of our cool high-tech stuff, so they feel like they have a safe place to prototype and work and create the future Super 73.
Absolutely. And that's the whole thing. I mean, that's what people need to know. As many products as you guys have now, you think about the future and the possibilities of all the products and how the lineup changes and evolves, and you need a space to not just continue doing what you're doing, but to anticipate the growth in product and design and ideas. So it's really important to have the space to do that.
And we want people to feel like this is a great place to come create, that it has legacy attached to it. So,
Right.
we run really tight, we run really efficiently.
Right.
This will allow us to continue to do that on a bigger scale.
Gotcha.
So we're not going grand. We're not moving into a 4-story startup space with cool brick walls. Like Facebook. It's not.
Right.
We're not going that route. We're
Right.
saying how can we still be efficient, but grow.
Gotcha.
This is the marketing office. A lot of what we do is centered around content creation. So we wanted to be able to have a space where we could create. So what you're going to see over here, within the next month or so, is going to be a podcast set, which means we get to launch our own content on our watch and let people know what's going on as it's happening. So this is going to be dedicated to that. And then I'll probably work in this corner over here, which is kind of cool.
Nobody puts Michael in a corner.
You know that I did this so that we could deck it out with Star Wars stuff.
Well, yeah, I know you gotta.
Get away with it.
You gotta have stuff. You gotta have room for the collectibles, man.
Yeah. And these offices just keep going, and that's kind of what's so cool. More hallways.
More hallways, more space.
Crazy. So this is just another little operations office.
Okay.
We do a lot of, I mean, as crazy as it is, we have, a lot of competition coming out lately.
Right.
So we do a lot of top secret stuff. This is just great to have these locked off, closed off rooms to be able to do that in safely, because our stuff is just like lying around right now.
Right.
And we got to like lock it up at the end of the day, things like that. So this is a space where we can like feel safe to, talk numbers and future and things like that. So,
Gotcha.
We're really just so excited about that.
When you say competition, a lot of which is cheap knockoffs. But there, I said it. You don't have to say it. Yeah.
Well, the truth is, everybody's coming out with these new bikes that are more powerful, the Super 73 killer. And the truth is, that's a really dangerous game to play. There's rules and regulations for a reason.
Right.
We could make a 70 mile an hour Super 73. That would be the stupidest thing we could do. Because you're giving an unregistered, uninsured, unlicensed bike to somebody who normally doesn't ride at those speeds.
Right.
There's a reason we keep our bikes at the range we do. It's so that we're legal to sell them as e-bikes. You see all these new bikes coming out that are like touting these 50, 60 mile an hour speeds.
Right.
That's not legal. You can't put insurance on that. So if somebody crashes, somebody gets injured, one, there's no insurance to cover that. So they're going to have a tough time on the road to healing. And two, it's going to sink the company. So we at Super 73 are really focused now more than ever on making safe, legal, and high quality products.
Gotcha.
We've always done the high quality, we've always done the safe and legal, but now as we grow, it's about making it more of something we're presenting at the center. So
Yep.
That's where we're at.
I like that. Not about the quick buck. You guys are going to be around for a long time.
I tend to rant on that subject, but it's like really important to us here.
No,
So I say it a lot.
I get it.
And then I saved the best part for last.
Oh wait, there's even more. Okay.
This is the part that I think is going to change the game for us and for our riders.
Okay.
So follow me around this corner.
Okay. Oh wow.
What do you think we're standing in right now?
Okay, I will tell you what it looks like. It looks like a store. It looks like a retail space here.
This is going to be the first ever Super 73 store, which we have been bringing on team members to staff it, retail professionals, fashion professionals. So we are going in a new direction, which is really exciting. And the first step is the store.
So this is actually you guys are going to have your own retail space at your headquarters.
For the first time, people are going to be able to walk through those doors and come in and buy products. We're not going to be on a pre-order system anymore. We've got bikes that we can actually sell immediately.
Right.
Inventory won't be an issue because we've been growing and doing so well. So you're going to be able to walk in and leave with a product, which is exciting.
Dude, this is you did save the hugest and best for last, because people want their bikes right away. People want to make sure they can, how long do I have to wait? And now that's the shipping, that's not going to be an issue.
You're riding same day, and if you do have to ship a bike, if you have to order a bike, or you come in and you can't leave with it at the time because of circumstances, we'll actually have that bike to you same week or the week after. So
wow.
We're aiming for 72-hour delivery. I'm not going to obviously promise that at this point because we got to work on logistics.
Right, of course.
But that's our goal, and we normally meet our goals, so that's where we're at right now.
Holy cow. Dude, this was huge, and thank you for letting us be among the first to share this.
You guys are the first ones to see it, so
oh my gosh.
YourTechReport exclusive.
Dude, congratulations. And I can't wait. We're going to come back again when everything is completely finished, when the retail space is up and running, to give people an idea of what it's like to walk in and actually buy their own Super 73. Because I think it's kind of fun to get that the genuine experience, but to give our viewers an idea of not only what you have in store, but sort of a tangible, visual idea of what it's going to be. It's amazing. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Thank you for having me back. Thank you for sharing all this with me, and we're going to see you soon.
Perfect.